Makeup Remover Plus Cleansing. Gently removes facial dirt and makeup. Toner, Secondary Cleansing Plus adjusts skin pH. Apply some facial serum to the treatment area and spread it evenly. Recommended serum, Brightening VC Serum. Move the handle in circular motions across 3 facial areas. Glide upward along the chin. Sweep from the center of the face to the side of the cheek. And lift upward toward the hairline on the forehead. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a 0.5 cm thick layer of gel evenly to the face. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. Apply a stamping technique horizontally across the entire face. Ensuring the treatment head is pressed against the skin. Press the handle button for each treatment spot. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Scrape off the remaining gel. Cleanse the face with a cleansing wipe. Apply a mask to the face. Glide the handle on 3 face areas. Move upward on the chin. From the middle of the face to the side on the cheeks. And upward to the hairline on the forehead. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, facial cream, sun cream. Skincare finishing steps consolidate nursing effects.